The traditional way to make this dish is by using a Turkish phyllo, which is called yufka. It's just a little bit thicker. Today we're just going to use the Greek phyllo, and to thicken it up we're just going to use more layers. So to start out, my bottom layer, I'm just going to take 2 layers of the regular phyllo, sit it down, and we're going to brush it with our oil yogurt mixture. Also has the egg in there. So we're just going to brush it. We're going to coat it evenly and make sure you get the edges so that when we roll it up it'll seal. Okay. And then we'll do another layer before we actually add the filling. So we'll add 2 more. And by using multiple layers, if you tear it or if it doesn't roll very well, it's going to be very forgiving. You're not going to be able to see any of the tears. I know phyllo can sometimes be a little intimidating to work with because it does tear so easily. The only thing to keep in mind is you're not using just one layer. So if one tears, just stick another one on it. By the time it cooks, you're not going to be able to tell at all the difference between the layers. Okay, and just make sure again that you get the edges. And now we'll be ready to add the filling.